In this video, we show you how easy it is to use your StencilPro Stencil. Be sure to check out our Make a StencilPro Stencil video. Here are the supplies and equipment you will need. Place a sheet of cardboard between the front and back of your t-shirt to prevent ink from bleeding through. Spray one side of the cardboard with repositionable spray adhesive to help prevent the t-shirt from sliding around. Use low-tack painter's tape to secure StencilPro to your t-shirt. Put a healthy bead of silkscreen ink on the edge of your squeegee. Don't worry about any excess. It can always be put back in a jar. Keep your squeegee at a 30 to 45 degree angle and move across at a steady pace. Turn your squeegee around and go back. Keeping the squeegee at a 45 degree angle and moving at a steady pace helps prevent ink from bleeding underneath your stencil. Carefully lift one corner of the stencil and inspect results. Replace and apply more ink if necessary. Once satisfied, completely lift off the stencil and place in the stainless steel pan for cleaning. Clean your stencil as soon as possible. Dried ink will permanently clog and damage StencilPro. Most silkscreen inks must be heat set before washing for the first time. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Once the ink dries to the touch, place a sheet of parchment paper over the imprint and go over with a hot clothes iron. Your t-shirt is now ready to wear.